Alright, let's get started. So first thing you want to go ahead and do is make sure that you have downloaded Cyberpunk 2077 and launched it at least one time. After you've done that, go ahead and open up your favorite web browser here. We're going to be downloading Vortex here. This is a mod manager that I tend to use when I'm installing mods for AAA title games. It kind of makes things a little bit easier. If you already have this, go ahead and skip ahead. We'll go ahead and save this and let it download. And after it's done downloading, go ahead and launch it here. We're going to just run through a couple setup things. It's pretty quick. And this is the screen that we'll get when we launch it for the first time. Now, you may not be logged in here. I am currently logged in, but it might ask you to log in. It's a free account. Just go ahead and make it real fast. We're going to jump into games once we're done with that. We're going to be looking for Cyberpunk 2077. We'll click on Manage, and it should automatically find your game there. So now that this is managed, the very first thing we're going to go ahead and do is open up our web browser, and we're going to get this mod right here. It's called RedScript. It's a library mod that's kind of required for a lot of the framework for most mods. Not all mods, but most mods. However, we're going to go ahead and click Mod Manager Download and slow download here. And while that's slow downloading there, we're going to go over to Cyber Engine Tweaks right here. This is going to be the other required library mod that a lot of mods use. So I just strongly recommend getting this as well, just to be safe. We're going to go ahead and download for the latest patch here. Now, if you're watching this way off in the future, it might have a different game version. Just make sure you download the latest one, and it should work. And as soon as that's done downloading here, we should see it show up here. So we've got the extension update here, and that right there. So we're going to install these. And if we go into mods, we can see that RedScript and Cyber Engine Tweaks have been installed. So right now we are pretty much ready to tackle just about any mod at this point. First mod we're going to go ahead and install is Mod Settings. If you guys are downloading other mods, that's completely fine, but I strongly recommend this one as well. This is just going to be a good idea of what to look for when you're installing mods. The first place that I look at here is the requirements. And it's saying that it requires right here, don't worry about this stuff down here. It says mods that require this file, but we want the Nexus requirements. Now we have RedScript, but it also wants this red4ext file. So we're going to go ahead and open this up here. And if we kind of scroll through the description and kind of look a little bit, it says with installing it wants you to download the latest, then extract it into the games directory and launch the game. Game directory is the key phrase right here. Anything that says extract into the game directory is pretty easy. We're just going to grab the file, do a mod manager download, a slow download, obviously. And while that's installing, since we have both of these required files, I'm going to go ahead and grab this one as well too. We'll do the slow download as well. And if we swap over to Vortex right here, we'll notice that this is installed properly. It says it's enabled. Make sure it says enabled right here. Sometimes it'll say never installed. Make sure it says enabled. If it doesn't, just click on the button right there and it should be good to go. And this is just about everything you guys need to know. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment if this was helpful, and I hope you guys enjoy.